Hello guys and welcome to Make Easy. So yesterday that I showed how to copy a local folder to a remote server, and today we're gonna be setting up our Nginx today. So for that you need to install Nginx. So sudo apt-get update and use these two commands to install. After that we need to adjust our firewall. So we need to enable firewall for Nginx full HTTP and HTTPS, and that's it pretty much. So after once you've done that, so you can check your status. Once you enable firewall, you just run this command. So sudo ufw status. So status is active. I was enabled for 443 and 8G, and Nginx full also. So it's pretty much these are the commands that will help us to enable. So after that, once you install it, you need to check your Nginx status. So system control and Nginx status Nginx. So it should be as a running state actually. So it was running, you can see here it was running. So and we have few other commands in Nginx, like you can reload the connection once you've done the configuration, and you can restart, stop, all the things. So and once you so these are the Nginx a common commands that you can manage server. And also once you've done that, you can visit your IP address. So visit your IP address. So you'll get and welcome to Nginx, like this page will come as a default page. So today we are going to be setting up in a Nginx block for a static website. So for that we need we need to create in a server block, so that we used to create in sites available folder. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm just copying this piece of code first. So now we are going to setting up our Nginx right now. So we need to create a file in sites available folder. So we just type sudo vim and act etc folder. There we have an Nginx. Again you need to visit sites available. There we're gonna be adding a one more file, so that is devostatic.tk. So devostatic.tk is my domain name. Next videos I'm going to set up the domain. So that's it. Now we need a server block. This is the server block. This is we need now. So I'm copying into my file there. So once you've done this, so you need to add your server name, so domain name. So that is the devostatic, right? So devostatic.tk, and same thing to over here also. Devostatic.tk, and you need to say the entry file is index.html only, so no need to change that, but we need to set up we need to give the folder name. So this is the folder I will set up. So I need to check it out. So this is username and the home. This is the project folder, root folder. Okay, so I'm going to save this one. Yes, so setup only. So now we need to enable this file in sites enabled also. So we need to run command now. So listen command there, so we have to run that. So like sudo ln-s, so our project folder means our Nginx folder, etc and Nginx and sites available and devostatic.tk, right? So from there to again etc Nginx sites enabled. That's it. This is done. So you can also see and what is there inside sites enabled.dk. Enabled devostudy.dk. So it is the same, so we used to copy it from there. So if you update it over here, it will automatically update over there. So that's it. So we are successfully setting up our Nginx. So now we need to create a domain in .tk. Once you've done the creating a .tk domain, that we need to add devo servers to .tk. So that's it pretty much. So in the later videos that I'll show you how to create a .tk domain. Thank you guys and thanks for watching. Hope you like the video and please subscribe to make